welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very super crispy mushrooms. This is a very delicious starter. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started, friends. Let's see the ingredients for this delicious super crispy fried mushrooms. We need about 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can alter the chili powder according to your taste. Some salt, half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half a cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We also need some chilled soda. So that's the ingredients for the batter. Today I've taken about 1 kg of mushroom, the button mushroom, which is cut into bite-sized pieces. Now let's take a bowl. Into the bowl, let's add the maida or the all-purpose flour. Now let's add the corn flour. Now let's add sufficient salt. Next goes the chili powder and also the baking powder. Now give it a quick mix. Now let's add the chilled soda. Add it little by little so that we get a nice thick batter consistency. Always remember that the batter should not be too runny and there should not be any lumps. So you can see that our batter is nice and ready. Now let's keep it aside and let's prepare the oil. Now let's heat up the oil in a pan. Dip the mushrooms in the batter and drop them in the hot oil one by one. Now you can see that the oil is nice and hot and ready. Now let's drop the mushrooms one by one. As soon as the mushrooms hit the hot oil, you can see they become nice and fluffy and crispy. Now when the mushrooms turn nice and golden brown, we can strain it from the hot oil and keep it aside. So this is the color that we are looking for, friends. Our mushrooms are nice and golden brown and crispy. So let's strain it from the hot oil and keep it on a paper towel. So that's it, friends. Our super crispy fried mushrooms are absolutely ready. This is a great starter recipe. So do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. Hope you like this video. See you all soon with another interesting recipe. Do not forget to subscribe to Fabulous Chef.